In this week's Marketing Minute, we're going to talk about LinkedIn ads and very specifically targeting your competitors' followers. You cannot extract a list of your competitors' followers of their LinkedIn page. LinkedIn doesn't allow it. The only people that can see that list are admins and employees of that company who have been given permission to. But what you can do is you can go away from LinkedIn and go to Twitter. You can extract a list of all their followers there instead using a tool like Phantom Buster to extract the Twitter follower list. From there, it will extract all the profiles of the people that follow that page and that profile. You can strip it down, remove all of the generics, and just be left with the domain names of the people that follow it that are relevant to who you want to target. You can then use that list to upload to LinkedIn and create a list of people within those companies by using a match type in there. Ideally, you want 1,000 domain names in there before it becomes viable. We've gone as low as 300 and it's still created a viable list. If you need help with anything that's been discussed in this Marketing Minute or any other one, drop me an email, drop me a direct message, and let's have a chat.